I want to put a back onto these. All right, so my post, these ones, I am actually going to use my fish hook findings to make them a little bit longer. But these particular ones, because they are so long to begin with, I wanted to just use a post on there. So if you want to do post on both of these, just put one hole. If you want to do a fish hook, you need 2 holes there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to get 2 posts. And my super glue. And I want to make sure that I am putting my post exactly where I want it to hang on my ear. So I'm just going to put a small drop of super glue, and then I'm going to take my post, set it on there, and this is to assure me that my post will stay exactly where I want it so I can finish it off beautifully. All right, and then let me grab some of my white clay. All right, I am going to roll this out to, I'm going to say, my 3rd thinnest setting. All right, so you can see it's really thin. You do not need a thick layer of this. Next, you're going to want to get some kind of cutter or circle that is going to be a little bit bigger than your actual post. So this should be perfectly fine. I'm actually going to lay this on my tile. This way, when I push down, it stays on my tile. So get 2 circles. I got a little bit of my clay adhesive. Just going to put a small amount on there. And then I'll just take my silicone tool and I'm going to go around that. All right, so I'm just going to go over my piece here with the clay adhesive. And this will make sure that my clay sticks down real nice. And then let me get my blade, pick these up. And this is one of the reasons I like to super glue my pieces, is now I could take that, go right in the middle, and then push down. Get my silicone tool, push it down all the way. And you could do this before you bake it or after. It'll be like the same concept. I almost prefer to do it after it's baked because then I can really handle it, spread my clay, and know I'm not going to ruin the front part of it. So at this point, all I'm doing is taking my clay and I'm smoothing it out so it becomes one with the back of my earring. So it looks like it's one piece of clay and you don't have it looking like you set that on there. So I just rub my finger and smooth it out. That's it. So very, very simple. Let's try that one more time. Oops. Right in the middle. Push it down. I like to use my silicone tool to help push down. And then I will use my finger for the rest of it. And just blend it right in. By doing this, you're assuring your piece the post will never come off, because now it's going to be in your clay. It's going to be covered up, and you can't pull it off. It won't break off. You don't have to worry about any of that. Okay, so now I will stick this back in my oven for a ½ hour. Okay, so my pieces are out of the oven, and now you can see how they are completely encased in that clay, and there is no way that is coming off. So you know that your piece is 100% secure.